This video will show the easy step-by-step installation of the GE Appliances reverse osmosis system. See installation instructions for complete details and refer to the safety information and specifications section prior to starting. Parts needed to complete standard under-sink installation are included with the system, which can be installed under the sink or in a remote interior location. Start by closing the cold water shutoff valve and open the faucets. Disconnect the cold water line from the shutoff valve. Make sure the water supply gasket is inside the female threaded part of the fitting. Then install the water supply fitting onto the cold water shutoff valve. Hand tighten. Connect the existing cold water line to the male part of the water supply fitting and hand tighten. Run the drain tube from the RO system directly to an open drain. For some installations, a hole may need to be drilled. If so, test fit the two halves of the drain adapter onto the sink drain pipe. Make sure the quick connect fitting is toward the direction of the RO faucet. Using the hole through the drain fitting, mark where the hole will be drilled and remove the drain adapter from the pipe. Drill a hole 3/8 of an inch in diameter and remove flash. Place the halves of the drain fitting back into the pipe. Then assemble nuts and screws and tighten both sides. Apply threaded sealing tape to the top of the tank. Locate the tank connector and tighten it to the tank nipple. Place the storage tank next to the RO assembly. If drilling is needed, drill a 1 3/8 inch diameter hole in the mounting surface. Unscrew and slide the wing nut from the RO faucet stud. Work tubing and the faucet stud down into the mounting hole. Slide the metal washer and wing nut onto the underside of the sink. Locate the battery cover. Grasping the plastic strip, pulling it all the way out. The LED will flash red and then blue. This will let you know the 6-month timer is powered up. With push-to-connect fittings, you can install your system in no time. Start by cutting the tubes to length. Push tubing through collet until it hits the O-ring. The red tube connects from the faucet to the RO assembly. The yellow tube is connected from the RO assembly to the storage tank, inserting it all the way and routing the other end to the fitting on top of the tank. The blue tube is connected from the RO faucet to the assembly. The green tube is connected from the cold water supply pipe to the RO assembly. The black tube will connect from the faucet to the drain adapter. Maintain premium filtration levels with replacement filters FQ18PN and FQ18MN. Change filters in a snap with zero mess thanks to the innovative twist and lock design. This GE Appliances reverse osmosis system offers homeowners filtered water where they need it most. With easy installation and state-of-the-art triple-stage filtration that removes up to 95 impurities, including lead, this system offers big results in a small footprint, providing GE Appliances' best filtration and the cleanest water without sacrificing space. To learn more, please connect with your sales representative or visit geappliances.com.